Okay, I went ahead and added a whole bunch of different stuff to the side. Yes, it's kind of random, but it'll serve its purpose. So to do animations, you're gonna go to your animations tab up here, and then I would go ahead and open up your animation pane. That's gonna bring this up. What animations are, they animate the different objects on the site. So let's say we want to animate this text. You're gonna click on the title, and then you're gonna go to Add Animation. And then if you want an entrance, an emphasis, there's even more down here. You just go ahead and pick one. It's going to play it for you and it'll show up over here. So again, if I want to animate this, I can go up to Animations. And like say we want a swivel for this one. And it's going to play that over here. This kind of shows you the timing of it. Let's say we want this puppy to bounce, so then we can have him bounce in, and he's going to bounce in. Now, one thing I haven't shown you on these animations is you click on them, they have numbers by them. You can make it start on click, with previous, or after previous. So I want this one, we're going to say after previous. And then we can change these all to after previous, so then it's going to play it after previous. So try and put everything kind of after previous. Or with previous, so you don't have to constantly be clicking. So if you want to review this, rewind your animation pane. And then click play. Oh. Play. Show you how it will play.